Hello, today we're installing a toilet flange and toilet. Here we go. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your water is turned off. Remove your cap or your plug. Put your flange on. Then put your valve on, making sure that the valve is turned off. Making a minor adjustment on the flooring that I installed. Putting in a new toilet flange as I had to do a lot of subfloor work. There was a substantial leak, rotted out a joist, and actually 2 joists I had to replace about 15 feet long in this bathroom. Had to go in through a crawl space vent to get the joists in. That was a task. Anyway, here I'm just gluing up the flange and the coupling, getting ready to install it in the floor. It's going to be critical that you measure correctly before you cut your original drain pipe, because if you don't get that height correctly, you're going to end up having to put in a whole nother piece of 3-inch pipe or 4-inch pipe, whatever you have, to extend the drain. In this case, I was able to measure and got it properly lined up with the new flooring, so it was all seated well and grabs well. I pre-drill as often as I can to prevent cracking of the flooring, but it also gives the screws a better hold, as they're not just pushing the wood apart, they're actually creating threads in a hole that was pre-drilled. Whenever I have the option to replace the toilet flange, I always do with the stainless steel option, just because I feel like it adds more durability. It's a stronger hold whenever you go to torque the toilet down, versus the plastic options. I just don't really trust them too well. Now it's just a matter of lining up the screws with the holes in the toilet flange and setting it down and squeezing that wax ring out until it's fully seated. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe.